the tutorial. Today we're gonna make a cone, a conical shape. We click Control N and go to the part file. Click OK. Now making a cone is very easier than you think. Okay, we go to the top plane, and here you'll see the usability of the why I use the center line tool, right? We make a center line from here to here. Now click Escape, and then we make a line, just a random line. Let's start from here up to, it's totally gonna be random, so 88 degrees. That's totally okay. Click Escape. Now remember the last tutorial, if you click the Revolved Boss space in here, it's gonna ask it's a non-thin revolution, so it doesn't have a side. Okay, we're gonna click No. But still, you're gonna get this beautiful cone shape. Now let's decrease the size of it. Looks old. 5mm seems nice. Yeah. So now if you click OK, this is our cone. Cool, isn't it? Now you can make a mic out of it. Now what you can do is you can edit the feature as well. My God, what's wrong with my tongue? So if you go right click here and then go to the edit feature, you see you can find the line as well. Sorry, not the edit feature. You can go ahead to the sketch. You can edit the sketch actually. You hit spacebar and get your desired size or plane. And then you're going to go ahead with the line tool again. We're going to click to the end point of this line and extend it to a little space there. Now click Escape. Now if you go back, see the cone shape changes. This extends, this makes a beautiful line here, and it makes it so perfect here. So, and you can also use the fillet option here. Just click this surface. Okay, not 10mm, that's too much. Let's make 5mm. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay, click done, and then you have a smooth surface on the inside. And so if you like cones and cone ice cream, we should be friends. See you in the next video.